As autumn arrives and the weather cools down, I'm craving some warm, comforting fall food. Today, I'll start with the beef stew because it takes the longest to cook. For the beef stew, I added 100 milliliters of fresh grape juice squeezed from grapes in our backyard, which gives it a nice natural sweetness. This is my first time making dumplings. I used plain flour since I didn't have self-raising flour. I mixed yeast and sugar with warm water and let it ferment for 10 minutes. Then I added the flour and let the dough rise for 90 minutes. The dumplings turned out very fluffy and soft. And of course, the beef stew is delicious too. Next, I made a simple but delicious butternut squash soup. I started by sauteing onion and garlic until fragrant. Then I added chopped butternut squash and apple and cooked them for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I poured in the stock and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After that, I blended everything until smooth, added double cream, salt and pepper, and gave it a good stir. It turned out to be a warm, creamy, and comforting soup perfect for chilly days. Finally, I made a cozy apple and chestnut crumble to finish off the meal. I started by sauteing chopped apples in a bit of butter for 2 minutes. Then I added brown sugar and cinnamon and cooked until the apples were soft and slightly caramelized. After that, I mixed in roughly chopped cooked chestnuts. For the topping, I combined flour, butter, a bit of sugar, oats, and a pinch of salt until crumbly. I sprinkled the crumble over the apple filling and baked it until golden and bubbling. It came out warm, sweet, and nutty, the perfect autumn dessert. 3 cozy dishes to warm your autumn days. Let me know which one you'd love to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more comforting recipes.